Hello friends, my name is Luan Pepra, and here on this channel I'll be making video tutorials on Vectorworks, Cinema 4D, Rhino and many more. If these are the kind of applications that you wish to learn, I recommend you subscribe to the channel and also hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be one of the first people to know. So in my last video, I did the 3D modeling tutorials. I'm currently on the 3D modeling tools. Although Vectorworks is a BIM application, it has an inbuilt 3D modeling tools that you can use to perform some 3D modeling. Okay, it has all the fundamental 3D modeling commands or tools that you can actually use to create interesting stuff. Okay, so and then in my last video I did the taper phase 2. Okay, so in this video I'm going to move on to the deform 2. Okay, so let's begin. So as I said in my last video, the 3D modeling tool sets can be found just beneath the basic tool sets. Okay, just beneath the basic tool sets we have some other tool sets. Okay, and one of them is the 3D modeling tool set. Okay, where my mouse cursor is. Okay, so right now the tool that we'll be looking at today is the deform tool. Okay, so once you click on the deform tool, you have other modes here. Okay, and that's the same case for any tool that you click on. Once you click on any tool here, you have some additional modes in which that tool can be used. So right now the deform tool also comes in several modes. We have the twist solid mode, we have the twist face mode, we have the taper solid mode, we have the bulge mode, we have the bend solid mode, we have the symmetric mode, and also have the finite length mode. Okay, and then to reduce the length of this video, I'm going to do this in two parts. So in the first part we are going to basically look at how the twist tool works. Okay, the twist tool. Okay, so it's very simple. It's very simple. Basically, to use the 3D modeling tool, there has to be some form of geometry that you need to work on. So let me just basically just draw a rectangle. Okay, so this amount, let me just choose a regular polygon. Okay, and then you can define the number of sides here. Okay, so let me just say I want the size to be 7. Okay, so come back to the interface and then draw my polygon, define my radius, then draw my polygon. Okay, I'm not trying to be accurate here. I'm just trying to get a random thing drawn here. So once you draw it, you definitely give it a height. It has to be in 3D. So to do this, I'm going to extrude it. And the shortcut for extrude is Control E. Okay, once you hit Control E, you have this pop-up menu which basically allows you to enter the extrusion height. So I'm going to say I'm going to use, say, 12 meters. Okay, that's it. So now you have an extrusion of 12 meters. Okay, so we first do our regular polygon, and then to get our 3D we just give it an extrusion. Simple as that. So to use the deform tool, to use the twist tool, okay, you have to click on the deform tool, and then the first mode it says twist solid mode. Okay, so basically the twist solid mode allows you to twist the object. Okay, allows you to twist the geometry that you want to deform. So basically once you click on the twist mode, you come back here, then you make your first click, okay, on the area that you want the twist to start. So basically I twist from the top view. So once you click on the top view, once make your first click, then you stretch, okay, to define your twisting angle, and then you drag or you move your cursor. You see, as we move, you see the twist angle is changing. As we move, the twist angle is changing, and then once you are satisfied with the twist angle, you can just make your next click. Then as you can see, as simple as that. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's very straightforward. the Vectorworks 3D modeling tools is very straightforward. So it's simple as that. That's basically how the trace tool works. Okay, so let's try with another example here. Let me just this time I'm going to use a square, or yeah, I'm going to use a four-sided polygon. So this one I'm giving the same extrusion height of 12 meters. Control E, extrude it. The same method applies. Once you come here, click on the twist, the first mode here, make your first click, then you stretch outside the geometry to define a distance from which you want to twist, and then make your next click, and then you turn it to make your twist angle. Okay, so as you move the cursor around, you can see it's defining a twist. Okay, so you can choose any angle that you want. You can choose any angle that you want, and once you are satisfied with what you have, you make your next click. So this is what we have. Okay, it's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. Okay, and next to the twist tool, we also have this mode, which is the twist face mode, which basically works very similarly to the first one, which is the twist solid mode. Okay, so to use the twist face mode, we are going to follow the same procedures as we did. You first have to create your solid geometry. Just extrude this once again, 12 meters. Okay, you come here, you come to the twist, come to the deform tool, and you come to the twist face mode. You make your first click, you stretch outside, and then make your next click, and then you turn to define your angle, and then you make your next click. It's as simple as that. Okay, see, it's as simple as that. Okay, so that will be it for this video. In the next video, we will be dealing with we are still on the deform tool, but we will be looking at the taper solid mode, the bulge mode, and then the bent solid mode. So thanks very much, thanks for being here, and see you in the next video.